Okay guys, hello, it's me Daniel and I'm about to show you my weapons wrap in Roblox Rival. So here. First I have the assault and the bow, burst, crossbow, gunblade, RPG, shotgun, sniper. This is my favorite. Is this good? Or okay. And my daggers. This is the coolest. And flare, I have the gold wrap at my flare. Handgun, with this, and revolver. That and shorty. I have my skin is the wrap shorty, and here the spray is this one. Yeah, this one the crimson art. The okay, this is my favorite skin, the Uzi. What guys, comment down below what is the best wrap, this one or this one. And this is my battle axe. I have the yin yang wrap, and my chainsaw is the celestial, and this is my fist, my arm. What's it called again? Arbescua. What is it? And my katana. This is my favorite so far. At my melee, my knife. Should I change this to carbon fiber? Okay. And my riot shield. My favorite wrap at this gold. No, it's not. Yeah, and my side is the gingerbread. Yeah. My maul is the ticks. Flashbang, the Nova, the Freezery, the Neon Lights, the Grenade, is, Neo, okay, and Jump Pad is Winter's Lost, what? Winter's Solstice, you know, and my Molotov, this is the color. Satchels, this one, who's this? The Web. Is this good, the Moonstone? Mhm. Web, and my smoke grenade is gold too. This is my first gold before, and Warhorn, this is mine. So thank you for watching this, and bye.